If you want to improve your English speaking, you have to listen and practice a lot of real conversation. Here is one of them. Enjoy it. Hello, welcome on board. Hello, this is my first flight. Oh, I see. Don't worry, I can help you. Can I see your boarding pass, please? Yes, here it is. Thank you. Your seat is C18. It's on the left side, next to the aisle. I don't know where it is. No problem. Follow me. Here it is. Seat C18. Thank you. Can I put my bag here? Not under the seat. Let me put it in the overhead bin. There we go. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Please sit down and fasten your seat belt. Like this. Okay, is it tight enough? Yes, it is perfect. Very good. What time do we arrive? We arrive in Dubai at 5:30 p.m. Will we get food? Yes, we will serve a meal and drinks soon. Great! I'm a little nervous. It's okay. Just relax. If you need anything, press the call button. Thank you. You are very kind. You're welcome. Enjoy your flight. Hey guys, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Hello, are you going to London? Yes, I am. What about you? Yes, me too. It's my first time. Oh, really? That's exciting. I've heard a lot about London. It's an amazing city, very modern and clean. Are you from there? No, but I live there now. I work in London. That's nice. What do you do? I work in a company. I'm an engineer. Wow, that sounds interesting. Yes, I like my job too much. I'm going for a vacation. I'll stay 1 week. That's great. What do you plan to see? I want to visit London Bridge. Good choice. You should also visit the palace. Yes, I saw them in videos. They look great. You will enjoy it. Where will you stay? In a hotel in city center. Well, that's a beautiful area. I'm really excited now. You should be. London is a great place to explore. Thank you for the tips. You're welcome. Have a great trip.